Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to get Audible Premium legally for free. So if you've seen videos claiming there's a hidden trick to unlock Audible Premium forever, then here's the truth. There isn't a legitimate way to permanently get Audible Premium without paying. However, Audible frequently offers an official free trial for eligible new members. So to check your eligibility, visit the Audible website or open the Audible app and sign in with your Amazon account. If a free trial is available, you'll see the offer during the sign-up process. Then, depending on the current promotion, the trial may include one or more audiobook credits along with access to the Audible Plus catalog. And you need to remember to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. So that was the legal way to get Audible Premium for free. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful